I have a friend named Andrea Gillespie who's a political scientist and a professor at Emory University. And she has this brilliant phrase which I think encapsulates much of our current conceptions. And it's this: Jesus has bad PR. So let's look at a few examples of this. Christianity is the greatest intellectual movement in all of history. Christians invented the university. Universities like Harvard and Yale and Oxford and Cambridge were founded specifically to glorify God. And the extraordinary contributions Christians have made throughout history on a whole range of intellectual fronts is without rival. And yet we think that Christianity is anti-intellectual. Christians literally invented science. And the reason they did is because they believed in a creator God who was rational. And so if you were going to look at the universe, you could imagine that he would have created it according to some rational principles. Because they believed that we were made in the image of that God, and so that our minds might be able to discern what those principles were. And because they believed that God was free. So he could make any universe he liked, according to any laws he liked, and the only way that we could find out about those laws would be to go and look. So that's how the empirical scientific method was developed. And today is seen as a provisional atheism to say that we're looking for natural causes for natural phenomena. In fact, this is a Christian good. And today we think that Christianity is anti-science.